Hi, Mike Kennedy. Let's talk tripods. Okay, here's a small tripod. This is very useful. You can set it on a table or somewhere, and it holds the camera steady. Now, for it to interface with the camera, it has to have this threaded screw because if you have a larger camera, not a cell phone, okay, 35 millimeter or 2/3 or mirrorless or whatever, there's a thread where you can thread that together and it will hold the camera. Now, some people don't have cameras like that. You can buy cell phone adapters. This will go on here, and this one's got a kind of an attachment so that you can use it with a telescope or a microscope. But anyway, that's what you need. You need to have a thread on the tripod, an adapter for a cell phone, or just, your camera that has this threading in it. So there comes a problem a lot with buying used tripods, and that is they don't have the quick release thread plate. Now, if you look at this tripod, here's the top of the tripod. There's no screw there. It's going to be impossible to attach a camera to it or an adapter for a cell phone. So what do? Well, there's a part missing here. This is called the quick release plate, okay? And the idea is with this, you can mount it, you screw this into your camera, and then you can very quickly attach it to your tripod. And the idea is you want your camera off the tripod and you don't want to go through all the threading and unthreading. All you have to do is manipulate this lever and the plate comes right off. Now, you see tripods, I would say 90% of the tripods I see for sale places are unusable because they're missing this. And where is this generally? Well, it's on the camera of the original purchaser of the tripod because he couldn't use the tripod without it. This comes with it. So it's probably on the bottom of a camera somewhere. Now, some people will say, well, oh, yeah, buy my tripod. You can get another plate, quick release plate. I wouldn't try that. They do have them, certain brands. These are about $15 to buy, $7 to $15. But the chances of getting one that's going to fit your random tripod you buy is pretty slim, to tell you the truth. And you're going to have to pay shipping and all that. So if you're going to purchase a tripod that doesn't have the screw on the top, that's missing the base plate, go online first and see if you can actually order if someone has one of these pieces in stock that fits your tripod. Because like I say, if you say you spend anywhere from $20 to $60 for a used tripod, and you could get a really nice one for that, you're just not going to be able to use it without this piece, without the quick release plate. And all you do to put it in, you open this lever up that locks it, and there we go, it's in. And now we have that thread that we need. So, and if you were the original purchasers of the tripod, and you're thinking about this plate, where is it? It's on the bottom of the last camera that you used with it. And really, without that, a tripod's kind of just a big piece of metal that you're not going to be able to use. And like I say, I suppose if someone gave you the tripod, then you could go hunting trying to find the tripod head. But it's kind of funny. I mentioned that to someone once. I liked the tripod they had, and they said, oh, you could go buy one. And it's like, no. And like I said, I looked online. I couldn't find one to fit that appropriate tripod. But I'm saying that if someone's selling it without the base plate, quick release plate, they probably haven't used cameras in a long, long time, or they're just realizing that they got a tripod without it, and they're trying to sell it without it. And you need this base plate, this quick release plate, or you just can't attach anything to your tripod. And the whole point of a tripod is attaching a camera to it. Bye.